Guess the capital. Welcome to the Guess the Capital game. Get ready to test your geography knowledge. Let's go. Instructions to play. We will give you questions about capital cities. Choose the correct answer from the 4 choices given. Whoever answers the most correctly wins. Which is the capital of Switzerland? Option A, Bratislava. Option B, Bern. Option C, Dublin. Option D, Bogota. Guess. Which is the capital of Switzerland? The correct answer is option B, Bern. Which is the capital of Kyrgyzstan? Option A, Bishkek. Option B, Dhaka. Option C, Damascus. Option D, Cairo. Guess. Which is the capital of Kyrgyzstan? The correct answer is option A, Bishkek. Which is the capital of Guinea-Bissau? Option A, Bissau. Option B, Budapest. Option C, Castries. Option D, Chisinau. Guess. Which is the capital of Guinea-Bissau? The correct answer is option A, Bissau. Which is the capital of Colombia? Option A, Buenos Aires. Option B, Brasilia. Option C, Bogota. Option D, Brussels. Guess. Which is the capital of Colombia? The correct answer is option C, Bogota. Which is the capital of Brazil? Option A, Bogota. Option B, Brasilia. Option C, Bridgetown. Option D, Dakar. Guess. Which is the capital of Brazil? The correct answer is option B, Brasilia. Which is the capital of Slovakia? Option A, Brazzaville. Option B, Bratislava. Option C, Bamako. Option D, Dodoma. Guess. Which is the capital of Slovakia? The correct answer is option B, Bratislava. Which is the capital of Republic of the Congo? Option A, Brazzaville. Option B, Douglas. Option C, Damascus. Option D, Chisinau. Guess. Which is the capital of Republic of the Congo? The correct answer is option A, Brazzaville. Which is the capital of Barbados? Option A, Bridgetown. Option B, Cotonou. Option C, Copenhagen. Option D, Dhaka. Guess. Which is the capital of Barbados? The correct answer is option A, Bridgetown. Which is the capital of Belgium? Option A, Dublin. Option B, Budapest. Option C, Brussels. Option D, Caracas. Guess. Which is the capital of Belgium? The correct answer is option C, Brussels. Which is the capital of Romania? Option A, Bogota. Option B, Buenos Aires. Option C, Bratislava. Option D, Bucharest. Guess. Which is the capital of Romania? The correct answer is option D, Bucharest. Which is the capital of Hungary? Option A, Budapest. Option B, Brazzaville. Option C, Castries. Option D, Damascus. Guess. Which is the capital of Hungary? The correct answer is option A, Budapest. Which is the capital of Argentina? Option A, Buenos Aires. Option B, Gitega. Option C, Caracas. Option D, Cairo. Guess. Which is the capital of Argentina? The correct answer is option A, Buenos Aires. Which is the capital of Burundi? Option A, Delhi. Option B, Gitega. Option C, Brussels. Option D, Dodoma. Guess. Which is the capital of Burundi? The correct answer is option B, Gitega. Which is the capital of Egypt? Option A, Cairo. Option B, Dhaka. Option C, Bucharest. Option D, Cotonou. Guess. Which is the capital of Egypt? The correct answer is option A, Cairo. Which is the capital of Venezuela? Option A, Douglas. Option B, Damascus. Option C, Caracas. Option D, Conakry. Guess. Which is the capital of Venezuela? The correct answer is option C, Caracas. Which is the capital of Saint Lucia? Option A, Castries. Option B, Dhaka. Option C, Dublin. Option D, Delhi. Guess. Which is the capital of Saint Lucia? The correct answer is option A, Castries. Which is the capital of Moldova? Option A, Chisinau. Option B, Bridgetown. Option C, Copenhagen. Option D, Brasilia. Guess. Which is the capital of Moldova? The correct answer is option A, Chisinau. Which is the capital of Honduras? Option A, Tegucigalpa. Option B, Damascus. Option C, Douglas. Option D, Dili. Guess. Which is the capital of Honduras? The correct answer is option A, Tegucigalpa. Which is the capital of Guinea? Option A, Dhaka. Option B, Conakry. Option C, Bern. Option D, Buenos Aires. Guess. Which is the capital of Guinea? The correct answer is option B, Conakry. Which is the capital of Denmark? Option A, Cotonou. Option B, Douglas. Option C, Copenhagen. Option D, Gitega. Guess. Which is the capital of Denmark? The correct answer is option C, Copenhagen. Which is the capital of Benin? Option A, Dublin. Option B, Porto Novo. Option C, Dhaka. Option D, Bucharest. Guess. Which is the capital of Benin? The correct answer is option B, Porto Novo. Which is the capital of Senegal? Option A, Dhaka. Option B, Dili. Option C, Dakar. Option D, Chisinau. Guess. Which is the capital of Senegal? The correct answer is option C, Dakar. Which is the capital of Syria? Option A, Damascus. Option B, Dodoma. Option C, Castries. Option D, Cairo. Guess. Which is the capital of Syria? The correct answer is option A, Damascus. Which is the capital of Bangladesh? Option A, Brasilia. Option B, Dhaka. Option C, Bogota. Option D, Delhi. Guess. Which is the capital of Bangladesh? The correct answer is option B, Dhaka. Which is the capital of East Timor? Option A, Delhi. Option B, Douglas. Option C, Damascus. Option D, Accra. Guess. Which is the capital of East Timor? The correct answer is option A, Delhi. Which is the capital of Djibouti? Option A, Chisinau. Option B, Djibouti. Option C, Douglas. Option D, Castries. Guess. Which is the capital of Djibouti? The correct answer is option B, Djibouti. Which is the capital of Tanzania? Option A, Conakry. Option B, Dodoma. Option C, Dublin. Option D, Damascus. Guess. Which is the capital of Tanzania? The correct answer is option B, Dodoma. Which is the capital of Qatar? Option A, Doha. Option B, Damascus. Option C, Delhi. Option D, Dublin. Guess. Which is the capital of Qatar? The correct answer is option A, Doha. Which is the capital of Isle of Man? Option A, Damascus. Option B, Dublin. Option C, Douglas. Option D, Delhi. Guess. Which is the capital of Isle of Man? The correct answer is option C, Douglas. Which is the capital of Democratic Republic of the Congo? Option A, Kinshasa. Option B, Dakar. Option C, Djibouti. Option D, Bridgetown. Guess. Which is the capital of Democratic Republic of the Congo? The correct answer is option A, Kinshasa. Who got the most answers right? Congratulations to the winner. Thank you for playing. Guess the capital city. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.